Imagine a world of shimmering blue where sunlight dances through the water and a green sea turtle glides with effortless grace. Its powerful flippers propel it through the ocean, a living testament to the enduring rhythm of the sea. The turtle's shell, a mosaic of olive and brown, is both castle and shield, nature's masterpiece, protecting its lineage for millions of years. As it soars over coral gardens, wise eyes take in every detail of its kingdom. Small, iridescent fish dart around, but the turtle moves with serene purpose, focused on its journey. This gentle giant is more than a solitary traveler. It's a vital thread in the tapestry of marine life. Its simple routine, feeding, resting, traveling, profoundly impacts the health of its environment. Sea turtles are caretakers, helping maintain the delicate balance upon which countless species depend. Their journeys span thousands of miles, guided by ancient instincts to return to the very beaches where they hatched. The sea turtle is a living reminder of the marvels that exist in the quiet, deep places of our blue planet. The green sea turtle is one of the ocean's great gardeners, feeding on seagrass in shallow coastal waters. Their grazing keeps seagrass meadows healthy, preventing overgrowth and decay, much like a natural lawnmower. This simple act encourages new growth, supporting a rich diversity of marine life. Without turtles, seagrass beds would become overgrown, unhealthy, and less able to support the creatures that depend on them. Turtles also help cycle nutrients, making the ecosystem more resilient and productive. Their presence is a perfect example of nature's interconnectedness, a partnership evolved over millions of years. The turtle receives nourishment, and in return, the seagrass meadows thrive, providing sanctuary for countless marine species. Quietly, sea turtles play a fundamental role in the stability of these vital coastal habitats. Sea turtles' influence extends to coral reefs, where hawksbill turtles play a critical role. With their narrow beaks, hawksbills feed on sea sponges, preventing them from overtaking slow-growing corals. By keeping sponge populations in check, hawksbills create space for corals to flourish, maintaining the reef's biodiversity. Without them, sponges would dominate, and reefs would lose their complexity and resilience. On land, nesting females aerate the sand and enrich it with nutrients, supporting dune vegetation. These plants stabilize the dunes, protecting coastlines from erosion and storms. The simple act of laying eggs strengthens the land itself. From reef to shore, sea turtles build and sustain the world around them in remarkable ways. Their presence is essential for the health of both ocean and land ecosystems. Imagine our oceans without sea turtles. The consequences would be profound. Seagrass meadows would become overgrown and rot, losing their role as nurseries for countless marine species. This would trigger a decline in fish populations, affecting larger predators and even humans. The loss of healthy seagrass beds would also mean losing a vital carbon sink, impacting climate regulation. On coral reefs, unchecked sponges would smother corals, turning vibrant reefs into lifeless, sponge-dominated landscapes. Biodiversity would plummet, and reefs would become less resilient to threats like warming waters. On beaches, dunes would weaken without nesting turtles, making coastlines more vulnerable to erosion. The disappearance of sea turtles would unravel the delicate balance of marine and coastal ecosystems. Their absence would be felt from the depths of the ocean to the very land we inhabit. Sea turtles have survived for over 100 million years, enduring mass extinctions and changing oceans. Yet today, they face unprecedented threats, almost all caused by humans. Plastic pollution fills the oceans, and turtles mistake floating debris for food, often with fatal results. Discarded fishing gear entangles and drowns them, while coastal development destroys their nesting beaches. Artificial lights disorient nesting females and hatchlings, leading many away from the safety of the sea. Climate change brings new dangers. Warmer sands produce mostly female hatchlings, threatening future reproduction. Rising sea levels threaten to wash away nesting beaches entirely. These combined threats push sea turtles closer to extinction, despite their ancient resilience. It's a tragic irony that creatures who survived so much now face their greatest challenge from us. The fate of these ancient mariners now rests in our hands. Despite the challenges, hope remains for sea turtles. Around the world, people are working to protect these gentle guardians, tracking migrations, patrolling beaches, and rescuing injured turtles. Simple actions like reducing plastic use and participating in beach cleanups make a real difference. Supporting conservation organizations helps protect nesting sites and rehabilitate injured turtles. By making conscious choices, we can help ensure a safer world for sea turtles. Their survival reflects our willingness to be responsible stewards of the planet. By protecting them, we safeguard the health of our oceans and coastlines. Let's promise to heal the oceans and ensure sea turtles continue to grace our blue planet for generations to come.